The Soft Design Lab VIP Buyers Tour in spring of 2015 gave designers and buyers a behind-the-scenes look at market. Deb Barrett and Jackie Von Tobel of Soft Design Lab led first-time High Point buyers to demonstrations of manufacturing techniques, designer discussions, and more during market.
This is the first time to lead a tour to High Point, yes. And it's with Soft Design Labs, and Deb Barrett and Jackie Von Tobel have been taking 20 designers, first time to High Point, and showing them around. We're going to show them VIP access tour. We're here a day early.
We wanted to start them off right at the beginning of the market with some great education about upholstery, about the anatomy of upholstery, so that they could start throughout their entire market with that product knowledge. They could go into showroom, and they'd have that education under their belt so that they had the tools then to evaluate everything that they were seeing.
The 8-way will hold together longer than any other job that you can put on.
Dan does a really amazing job explaining the process of spring up and doing 8-way hand tied.
As you can see, everything's all solid wood, maple frames. Okay, we've got the metal bands running across this way underneath. Everything is double shot underneath on the Propex here, the strip webbing too, and nailed off. We use ring shank nails where they don't pull out. You'll be able to reupholster. You'll be tired of the color by the time it wears out. You'll be ready to change colors on it.
And Robbie is so good at explaining how difficult it is to do tufting. It's really a craft. They're artisans. I just really value what they do.
And it's all just a constant rolling and feeling where you're at.
It is, for a designer, we need longevity in our product, we need style, but our clients are going to come back to us again and again. So it's not a one-time relationship. You're selling something to them one time and they're done. It's a process. We have relationships over years and years. We do several homes for them. They'll come back again and again. So we really want this product to go into their homes, last a long time, perform really well. So quality is extremely important to us.
In other words, if you can educate your client and your prospect about the value that they get, that this is this piece of furniture that they're not going to replace, they can reupholster it, they can make it like different colors and beautify it with cushions, etc. But this is actually forever, and it's something that they can give to their children and grandchildren. That creates the value point. So all of a sudden, from the high end, it becomes a value piece, something that they're going to use forever.
When you're in the showrooms, if you ask them if you can take pictures, they're probably going to be more than accommodating, especially if they know that you are a potential client and opening accounts or whatever. They're going to be fine with it.
And I would definitely recommend taking tons of pictures.
Right.
And I save all my pictures and I refer back to them time and time again.
Maybe a suggestion would be take those pictures, as Jeannie suggested, and put them together in lookbooks for your clients.
We are so glad to have you here in High Point and shop in our showrooms.
Hello there, welcome to Market Square.